Hi guys, and welcome back. Today we're going to be looking at how to add filters onto your worksheet here on Excel. Now if you are new here or if you found the video helpful, please give us a like and a comment down below, as it really helps the channel out with the algorithm, and of course don't forget to subscribe. Okay, so as you can see, we're here on our Excel document. All we want to do is make sure we have what we'd like to filter. So say for example we have some numbers, and we'll have some of those there, and then we'll have yes, no, yes, no, no. Okay, now if we do want to filter these, we need to isolate the titles. So for example, this will be the numbers column and this will be the yes, no column. Now what we need to do is select this row, and from here we then want to go to home at the very top, go along until you see this option called sort and filter. Click the drop down and just click filter, and you can see a filter has now been applied to these columns, so I can go ahead very easily go through and just select no, for example, and this was all it will show me. Hope that was helpful. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.